Back in February, guys, months and months and months ago, I brought you to this office that's behind me to pick out some paint colors that go with this yellow brick because it's such a unique color brick and kind of difficult to pull paint colors from that. And so now I'm here to show you the afters today. I brought the two colors that we chose so that you guys can take a look at them. We have both of these are Sherwin colors. This one's called Artichoke and this one's called Paper Lantern. So Paper Lantern was used for all of the trim on the top of the building, soffits, fascia board, all that, and then also the window trim as well. And then Artichoke was used for all the doors, the front door, the side door, and the back door. Now, we also did other things to give the place a little facelift, like pressure washing, planting a new little landscape, but just super, super simple stuff and just make it look calm and beautiful. So I hope you guys like what we did to it, and let's see the befores and afters.